this video, we will learn how to generate code for DAQmx tasks or channels. We can generate code for a task or global channel from a DAQmx task name control or DAQmx global channel control respectively. Follow these steps to generate code. Place a DAQmx task name control or DAQmx global channel control on the front panel. We can select the task or channel for which we want to generate code. Right-click the control and select Generate Code from the shortcut menu. We can select one of the following code generation options. Example: generate all the code necessary to run the task or channel, such as VIs needed to read or write samples, VIs to start and stop the task, loops and graphs. We can select this option if the task or channel is specific to our system and we do not use the task or channel on other systems. So the example code has been generated. We can now run the VI to see how it works. Next option is configuration. This generates the code associated with the configuration. LabVIEW replaces the IO constant or control with a subVI that contains VIs and property nodes used for channel creation and configuration, timing configuration, and triggering configuration used in the task or channel. We can select this option if we need a portable configuration that we can move to another system. Caution: although generated configuration code includes code to create virtual channels and tasks, it does not include code to create scales. If we generate configuration code for deployment of applications that include scales, we must ensure that the scales are configured on the client computer. So the configuration code has been generated, the front panel control has been removed, replaced with this subVI. Let's launch it. Front panel and the block diagram has been created, which we can use now to configure our code. Third option is configuration and example. This generates the configuration code and example code for the task or channel in one step. So the configuration code and the example code are both now ready. This was from the previous step. So let's run it. And the last option is convert to Express VI. DAQ Assistant configuration dialog box appears. Make the required changes. Click OK. And the Express VI is created. You can now use it in your code.